y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be installing this 99J Burgundy body wave wig that I received from Recool Hair. This is their body wave 13x4 lace front wig, and I got this wig in 24 inches. Prior to filming, I did spray my even lace tint in the color medium brown. The initial lace before I applied my lace tint did not match my skin tone at all. As you can see, it does have like a white undertone, so I definitely needed to use my lace tint for this. So I like to go in and cut my lace into 3 sections. It just helps me to really focus on each section and properly install my wig. I'm going in with my Bold Hold Active lace glue to lay my lace down, and I like to apply 2 layers of glue to hold my lace down. So to get that extra melt and to make sure that the lace is glued down, I like to go in with my elastic band, and I like to also go in with my blow dryer on the medium heat setting, and I do this for about 5 to 10 minutes. comes to cutting my lace, I do like to cut my lace in a zigzag motion. I feel like this method just gives the lace a more natural look. So for all of the areas that did not fully glue down, I'm going in with my Even Firm Hold Spray to finish that work. So now I'm going in with the Ruby's Kisses foundation, and I believe the level that I have is 15. I'm not too sure right now, but I will have the details in my description box, and this product will be in my Amazon storefront linked below. But this foundation really helps to make that lace just seamlessly blend in with my skin tone. With the Luster's wax stick, I like to use my blow dryer and brush to help flatten down my wig. I wanted curls on this unit, I decided to go in and cut layers into this wig. It just gives the hair more volume once you add layers, especially when you are adding curls to the unit. Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to enhance my parting space. Now I'm going in with my wide tooth comb to comb these curls out instead of using a brush. I didn't want to loosen the curls too much. The front curls was just not working with me, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna have to just play with it a little bit. Maybe it'll drop a little bit more, or it'll just fall into place. So here's how the unit turned out. I honestly fell in love with this unit, and I was not mad at how the curls had turned out. I love the color. The undertone of this color off camera is more of like it is definitely giving burgundy. It has like a slight purple undertone, and I don't know if that really showed on camera, but it doesn't take away from the red in the unit. Like, it looks beautiful. For a pre-colored unit, I must say this unit was very soft and it did hold the curls very well. I did get a little bit of shedding with this unit. I'm not sure, it could have been from the layers that I cut, but I do not have any complaints about this unit, and I am completely satisfied with the results.